If you suffer from dry mouth due to Sjogren syndrome or radiation treatments for cancer, your doctor may prescribe Salagen. This medication helps to stimulate the production of saliva, making it easier and more comfortable to speak and swallow. The recommended daily dosage is typically 5 mg 4 times a day. It's best to take Salagen with a full glass of water, and try to take it at the same times each day. Now let's talk about the uses and dosage of Salagen. Your doctor will usually instruct you to take this medication 3 to 4 times a day, with or without food. To minimize the risk of side effects, your doctor may start you on a low dose and gradually increase it. The dosage will depend on your medical condition and how you respond to the treatment. If you have liver problems, your doctor may recommend taking the drug only twice a day. The typical maximum adult dose is 30 mg per day. It's important to take this medication regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. You may start to feel some benefit in 1 to 2 weeks, but it may take up to 3 months to feel the full benefit. And remember, you can continue to drink water or use saliva substitutes as needed for moisture in your mouth. If you have any concerns, make sure to discuss them with your doctor. Some common side effects of Salagen may include sweating, nausea, runny nose, chills, flushing, frequent urge to urinate, dizziness, weakness, diarrhea, and blurred vision. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. This medication may also cause an increase in tears, which can be beneficial for those with dry eyes, such as with Sjogren syndrome. If runny eyes become problematic, be sure to inform your doctor. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to inform your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as slow or fast heartbeat, shakiness, fainting, lung problems, mental or mood changes, or severe stomach pain. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed above. Remember to always consult your healthcare provider for medical advice about side effects. Before taking Salagen, make sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know about any allergies you may have, as this medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other problems. Inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have any breathing problems, certain eye conditions, heart disease, low or high blood pressure, liver or kidney problems, mental/mood disorders, or stomach problems. Salagen may cause dizziness or vision problems, especially at night. It's important to avoid driving, using machinery, or doing anything that requires alertness or clear vision, especially at night, until you can do so safely. Limiting alcoholic beverages is also recommended. If Salagen makes you sweat heavily, be sure to drink plenty of fluids to avoid dehydration. If you are unable to drink enough fluids, talk to your doctor right away. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of Salagen, especially dizziness, diarrhea, and increased urge to urinate. If you are pregnant, Salagen should only be used when clearly needed, so be sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Salagen, as they can affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Remember to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Salagen include beta blockers like propranolol and metoprolol. Be sure to discuss any concerns about potential drug interactions with your healthcare provider. If someone has taken too much Salagen and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. In the US, you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include diarrhea that doesn't stop, heavy sweating, severe trouble breathing, severe wheezing, stomach cramps, vomiting, very slow or fast heartbeat, and severe confusion. This medication is used to treat symptoms of dry mouth caused by a condition called Sjogren syndrome. It helps to increase saliva production, which can make it easier to swallow and reduce the risk of developing dental problems. The usual dosage is 3 tablets per day, taken 1 hour before or 2 hours after meals. It is important to take this medication at the same times each day. If you forget to take a dose of Salagen, take it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Salagen at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid keeping it in the bathroom and make sure to store it in a place that is out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need the medication or it reaches its expiration date, make sure to properly dispose of it. You can consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper way to discard Salagen. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.